concept related to database management system is called normalization. Now, in this particular topic, we will understand that why we require the process of normalization. First thing. Second thing, we'll see that what are the different processes which will help to normalize a table or to normalize a relation. Okay. So as I told you, in a relational database management system, a table is nothing but we say it is a relation. And the column of every table are called attribute, right? And the table name is also called relation name. And when we talk about a relation between two entity or two table, then it is called a relationship set or relationship. Okay. Okay. Let's go into this particular topic, which is called normalization. Now, normalization is the process of splitting relation into well-structured relation that allow users to insert, delete, and update tuples without introducing database inconsistency. What it says that normalization is the process of splitting relations into well-structured relation. Means normalization, in the normalization process, we try to split or we'll try to decompose, as we have learned in the last class. We'll try to decompose or we'll try to split one relation into well structured small relation or a small table. So what is the meaning of a small table? In the small table, let's say in the very first table, we have, let's say, 6 attribute. And because of the normalization condition, we got the situation where we have to split the table into two tables, right? So what we do is we put some of the relation in one table and some of the relation in another table. Like if we have the six attribute in one table, so some of the attribute will put in one table and some of the attribute will put another table. So this is how we do, but it should be in a well-structured way so that the previous problem, the lossy decomposition, will not be there. Okay. So uh, that is the condition that will follow. And there is also a way why we do that normalization. We do the normalization process so that we can insert, we can delete, we can update the tuples. Tuples means row in a table or row in a relation. So we can insert, delete, or update the tuple without introducing database into inconsistency. So we don't want that my database should go into a inconsistent state. So for that, we'll use the normalization process. Without normalization, many problems can occur when trying to load an integrated conceptual model into the database management system. So it says that if will not use the normalization, many problems can occur. When it can occur, when we try to load an integrated conceptual model into the database. So it says that when we try to put the conceptual model into the database management system, means all the detail. Let's say I want to add some more attribute on it. I want to add some more tuples on it. If I want to modify some tuple, if I want to delete some tuples, so I may get some problems. So to restrict that problem, or if we want that the problem will never going to occur in my system or in my database management system, so I'll follow the normalization process. The problem that is arises from relation that are generated directly from user view are called anomalies. So as I told you in the last class, that there are some problems in the big table or in the big relation where we have number of attributes are more, and the table will become more complex. Those type of table, the user will feel or user will find out some anomalies. Anomalies are nothing but some sort of problems into the table or into the relation. There are three type of anomaly: updation anomaly, deletion anomalies, and insertion anomalies. Means at the time of updation, we get some problem. At the time of deleting some tuple, we are getting some problem. Or at the time of insertion of data, we are getting some problem. Those are called anomalies into the database management system.